Hello students, welcome to St. International classes. Students, we are working from home. So today we'll start the exercise 13.1. So the first question is that there are two events E and F such that probability of event E is 0.6, probability of event F is 0.3 and probability of E intersection F is 0.2. Then we have to find the conditional probability of event E when event F is given and conditional probability of event F when event A is given. So we all know that the formula of PE slash F is PE intersection F upon PF. So we have all the values. So P intersection F is 0.2 and PF is 0.3. So this is 2 by 3 answer. Now the conditional probability of F when E is given, so that would be P F intersection E upon PE. Beta P F intersection E or P intersection F is the same thing. Okay, so this value of this is given 0.2 upon PE. PE is 0.6. So that would be 1 by 3 answer. Okay, very simple questions, only formula driven. Now the next question is if probability of event A is 0.8, probability of event B is 0.5 and the probability of B, conditional probability of B when A is given 0.4. Then we have to find P A intersection B, P A slash B and P A union B. So now first of all, first part. Beta we have given P B slash A equals to 0.4. So it means what? That it means P A intersection B upon P A equals to 0.4. So from here P A intersection B would be 0.4 into P A and P A is 0.8. So that would be 0.32 answer. Okay, now second part is find P A slash B. So P A slash B, that would be P A intersection B upon P A. So now we have all the values. P A intersection B is 0.32 and PB is 0.5. Okay, so we can easily find that as well. Okay, answer. Now third part is we have to find the value of PA union B. In 11th class, we all are very aware that this would be equals to PA plus PB minus PA intersection B. So I have the value of PA. PA is 0.8 plus PB is 0.5 and PA intersection B is 0.32. So that would be 1.3 minus 0.32. So that would be 1 minute. Okay. 8 and 9, 0.98. There is lack of space, 0.98 answer. So 98% are chances of happening event A union B. It means A or B. I hope it's clear. So please pause the video and note it down. Students, now look at the question number 6. In question number 6, we have to find P E slash F and a coin is tossed 3 times where event E is head on third toss and event F is head on first 2 tosses. Okay, so now if we are tossing a coin 3 times, then sample space would be triple H, HST, STH, STT, THH, THT, TTH and TTT. Now define event E. So event E is head on third toss. So on third toss there is a head, on third toss there is a head, on third toss there is a head and third toss there is a head. So these will be the in the event E. So H H H H T H T H H and T T H. Okay, now event F is head on first 2 tosses. So head on first 2 tosses. This one. So these are the only 2 events in the event F. So that would be triple H and HHT. Okay. Now find P. Find event E intersection F. What is the common? So in these 2 only, this is a common. Triple H is the common. So HH is a common. Now find out each one's probability. So PE would be. So there are 1, 2, 3, 4 events. 4 upon total number of element in the sample space is 8. So that would be 1 by 2. Probability of event F, that would be number of event in F are 1 or 2. 2 upon number of element in sample space, that is 8. So that would be 1 by 4. And number of element in E intersection F is 1, and total number in the sample space are 1 upon 8. And what we have to find? We have to find P E slash F. So formula for that would be P E intersection F upon P F. Okay, so now P intersection F, that is 1 by 8, 1 by 8 upon PF. PF is 1 by 4. So it is clearly what? 1 by 2 answer. Okay, so now please try to solve rest part of question 6 similar to this part. I hope you can do it. So that's your homework. Please pause the video and note down. Students, now look at the question number 10, and question number 10 is a black and a red dice are rolled. Okay, so now if we are rolling two dice, then sample space would be, there would be 36 different sample points. Okay, so now the first question is find the conditional probability of obtaining a sum of greater than 9. This is a event. We have to find the conditional probability of this event. And what is the condition given? Given that the black die resulted in a 5. So whenever we have question in the language, in the probability, first of all, the very foremost task for us is to define the events. Okay, so now I have here two events. One event is obtaining a sum greater than 9, and another event is black die resulted in a 5. Okay, and we have to find the conditional probability of this event when this event is given. So here I am solving the part A. Let E is the event. E is the event obtaining a sum greater than 9. Greater than 9. Okay, and suppose the first is a black die and second one is a red die. Okay, so beta, how can we get the sum greater than 9? It could be that on the first die there is a 3, on second die there is a 6, but it would be 9. So we cannot take this, so we will start from the 4, 6. It is greater than 9. 6, 4, 5, 6, 6, 5, 5, 5, and 6, 6. These are all the possibilities through which we can get a sum greater than 9. 4, 6, 10, 6, 4, 10, 6, 5, 11, 5, 6, 11, 5, 5, 10, and 6, 6, 12. Okay, these are the only possibilities. Now let F is the event that black die resulted in a 5. Black die resulted in a 5. It means what? That on red die any number can come, but on black die there will be a fixed number, that would be 5. So that event would be on black die there is 1, on red there would be 1. If 5 on black, there could be 2 on red. 5, 3 would be on red. 4 could be on red. 5 could be on red, and same 6 could be on red. Okay. Now find E intersection F. What are the common elements in both E and F? So 5, 6, 5, 5. These are the two commons. These are 5, 6 and 5, 5. Now find out each one's probability. So PE would be probability of that would be PE 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 upon, and total element in the sample space 36. That would be 1 by 6. Probability of event F, beta, that would be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 by 36. 1 by 6. Okay. Now probability of P intersection F, beta, that would be 2 upon 36. 1 by 18. So these are the, now what we have to find? We have to find conditional probability of this. It means what? Conditional probability of event E given that slash black die related to 5, and that is our event F. So we have to find P E slash F. And that would be equals to P E intersection F upon PF. I have all the values, we are good to go. So P intersection F is 1 upon 18 and PF is 1 upon 6. So that would be 1 by 3. So P E slash F for the first part would be 1 by 3, our answer. I hope it's clear. Okay, in similar way we will solve the second part. So please pause the video and note it down. Now look at the part second, B part. So it says find the conditional probability of obtaining the sum 8 given that the red die resulted in a number less than 4. So these are our two events. So first of all, let E is the event obtaining the sum 8. Okay, beta. Now what are the possibilities? 2, 6, 6, 2, 3, 5, 5, 3, 4, 4, and 6, these are the only cases. 6, 2, 2, 6, 3, 5, 5, 3, and 4, 4. So this is our event E. Now let event F is the red die resulted in a number less than 4. Sorry, red die resulted in a number less than 4. It means what? That on red die there would be 1, 2, and 3 only. Okay, so now this event would be F equals to beta. On black die there could be any number, but on red die number would be 1, either 2, or either 3. Okay, suppose on red die there is 1, but on black there would be 1. On black there could be 2, 2, 1, 3, 1, 4, 1, 5, 1, 6, 1. Okay. On black die there is a 2, but on black die, sorry, there could be 1, there could be 2, there could be 3, there could be 4, there could be 5, there could be 6. Okay. Now on red dice there is 3, but on black die there could be 1, there could be 2, there could be 3, there could be 4, there could be 4, there could be 5, and there could be 6. So these are the event F. Okay, now find E intersection F. What are the elements common? Okay, so now, so the common elements are 6, 2, 5, 3. These are the two common elements. So 6, 2 and 5, 3. Okay, now but we have to find each event's probability. So probability of event E, that would be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 by 36. Probability of event F, that would be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 12, and 18. So that would be 18 by 36. One by 2. Okay, P F equal to 1 by 2. Now P intersection F, that would be 2 upon 36. It means not 1 upon 18. So now we have all the values. Now we have to find conditional probability of obtaining the sum 8. It means what? Event E. Given that means slash the red die number less than 4. It means event F. And the formula is P E intersection F upon probability of event F. So P intersection F is 1 upon 18 and probability of PF is 1 by 2. So that would be 9. So P E slash F for the B part is 1 upon 9. Answer. I hope it's clear. Very easy question, but you have to do it in a systematic manner. So please pause the video and note it down.